Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today I'm going to put on some new string on a DeWalt 60 volt max string trimmer. So first, if you just, okay, that came right out. The old line is out now. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to line up this pointer with this hole right here. I got a little flashlight, I'm going to put it under here. There, you can see. You need to be able to see all the way through to the other side because we're going to run our string right through that hole. And to find the hole, you have to have this pointer lined up with the hole. And there's a pointer and a hole on the other side too. All right, so here's our string. I cut off about 10, 12 feet of string. And what you want to do is get this as straight as you can because you have to go straight through to the other side. And this wants to bend, so you just kind of bend it against it the way it wants to bend and train it a little bit. And a lot of times you get this on the first try, and other times it'll take 3 or 4 tries. You just gotta go nice and straight. See, I got it pretty straight now. All the way in. Come on, baby, come on. Oh, there it goes. First try. How do you like that? First try. Okay. So, and you take this end here, and we're going to pull this all the way through till these are even. Okay. So we got the same amount of line on each side. Now we're going to roll it up. Turn off my flashlight. Okay, so you hold this ring right here, and I'm turning both at the same time. You hear that click? See, it's rolling up right now. So I'm pulling this and this at the same time. See, it just wraps right up. See how easy it is? Okay, so now this is your cutter right here, and this is the string. So you're going to cut it right here, right before the cutter. That's 1, and that's 2. Look at that, we're already done. Okay, so we're all loaded up with new string. Now, the next thing I want to mention is this is not the original head that comes with this DeWalt string trimmer. This is a Speed Feed 400 head, and this is what one looks like right here. You see, it doesn't say Speed Feed anymore, but you can tell that's the same one. They're about 30 bucks. They come loaded, and every year or two you benefit from getting a new head. And these Speed Feed heads, I believe, are a lot better than the DeWalt heads. So that's why I bought the Speed Feed. Okay, see this notch right here? We're going to need to align that with another notch. I'll show you. They're right there. Use my little flashlight. Okay, see that other notch in there? So those 2 notches have to be aligned. And then you take your screwdriver and put it right in like that. With your screwdriver in the 2 notches, you have to turn this thing clockwise. It's a left-hand thread. So you grab this down here. There. Okay, so it comes right off clockwise. Okay, then you could put on a new Speed Feed. I happen to have a new Speed Feed that I'm going to put on another string trimmer. It just goes right on like this, goes on counterclockwise. See, it just goes on all the way. But I'm going to leave this one we just worked on here. So you put this on counterclockwise. Okay, then you just tighten it on my hand. My hand will be okay because when you use it, it tightens on its own. So you just tighten the ring right here. Okay, that's tight. And there you go. That's how you would change out your head if you wanted to put on a new speed feed head or some other head. I know that the speed feed fits without adapters on the DeWalt string trimmers, the 20 volt and the 60 volt anyway. So there you go. Hope that helps. I'll put links in my video description for the Echo SpeedFeed 400 replacement head, the Echo Crossfire string trimmer line, the DeWalt 60 volt max string trimmer, which is the one you saw in the video, and for the DeWalt 20 volt max string trimmer. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.